Hello students, I have brought the topic heart. This is the important topic because 1 or 2 marks question always come in NEET exam, class 10th or in class 11th CBSE exam. Okay, so heart, before starting we should know the important term. So I have brought in this video some important term from this heart topic. So there are 10 names I have brought for you. Okay, so these names are important for remembering and understanding the mechanism of the heart. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to explain in very short. Number 1 is vena cava. This is all are the pipelines, okay, which are help in circulation of blood. So there are 2 types of vena cava, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The function of vena cava is to carry impure blood from the body. Okay, then this impure blood goes into the right auricles. From right auricle it goes into the right ventricle. Right auricle is also called as right auricles. It is also called as right ventricles. Okay, so these 2 chamber carry impure blood carried by the vena cava. Clear guys? In between 2 there is a valve called as tricapside valve. Tricapside valve actually student help in stopping the re-entry of blood from right ventricles to right auricles. Okay, then next name is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated or impure blood. Okay, next one is left auricles and left ventricle. These carries pure blood. Okay, then next name is there guys, bicapside valve. It also help in stopping the re-entry of blood into left auricle from left ventricle. Okay, I will explain by this image. And next one is student pulmonary vein. So pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood, where aorta also carry oxygenated blood. Pulmonary vein carry oxygenated blood from lungs to left auricles, whereas aorta carry oxygenated blood from left ventricles to different parts of body. Clear students? So these are the names. Okay, you have to understand and remember. Let's see by this explanation of diagram. So here this is the superior vena cava, okay, and inferior vena cava. So this vena cava carry impure blood from the body and bring to the right auricle to right ventricle. Here one valve is there called as tricapside valve. It help in stopping the re-entry of blood from right ventricle to right auricle. Clear? So from the right ventricle the impure blood goes to the lungs for purification by pulmonary artery. Okay, after purification the pure blood come to the left auricle by the vein called as pulmonary vein. From pulmonary vein the impure blood came to the left auricle. From left auricle it goes to the left ventricle. From left ventricle the pure blood goes to the body by the aorta. So this is the circulation of blood and this is the name of the heart. Okay student, please see this video 2 to 3 times and remember the name for your better understanding. Thank you student. If this video is good, like it and subscribe my channel.